the southeast, the government is declaring the rail fail over. The full timetable has resumed today with minor glitches, but a continued shortage of drivers will keep the overtime bill at more than $15 million.
All aboard the government's rail fail fix. Nearly 3 years after a driver shortage saw hundreds of services slashed from the network, all trains are now back on track.
There's more trains, there's more drivers, there's more infrastructure.
There may be more drivers, but that doesn't mean there are enough. The government has recruited 177 new train drivers, falling short of the recommended 200 needed to take the full load. In the meantime, taxpayers will continue to foot a massive overtime bill that the minister isn't keen on revealing.
Overtime is a normal part of any rail network in the world.
Queensland Rail eventually confirmed the cost.
So we have 632 drivers, and the average overtime per driver over the course of any year is $24,000.
Totalling more than $15 million for drivers per year, and guards earn an extra $10 million in annual overtime.
How do you think teachers and nurses feel when they hear that train drivers are earning up to $225,000 a year? Guards, $185,000 a year.
During this morning's peak hour, about 90% of the trains ran to schedule. 13 were delayed for up to 10 minutes, with one cancellation.
We like to think that something can be done to make the train fleet more reliable. We're seeing constant problems with new trains as well as the old trains.
And with 462 services restored, commuters still have mixed views.
Well, the one I've just gone to get's not there, so I'm trying to find a bus.
It's pretty average. Very, very average, and all they've done is restored the Friday services for us. There's no new services.
It may have taken nearly 3 years, but the government will be hoping the restored timetable will put an end to the rail fail saga that's dogged multiple ministers. Alison Horn, ABC News, Brisbane.